Feeling stressed? Anxious? Can't sleep? Listen up. Reiki is not your average wellness trend. Everything in the universe is energy, right? So with an open mind, I'm putting myself in the hands of a Reiki expert as to see what it's all about. Will it work? Will I feel the energy flow? Let me introduce you to Reiki. It's this cool Japanese therapy that's all about channeling good vibes through your body. Reiki combines two words, Rei, meaning universal or spirit, and Ki, which is all about that vital life force. So Reiki is basically spiritually guided life force energy. It's like a cosmic tune-up for your body and mind. Some people swear by it for healing and overall wellness. Curious? I am. Maybe it's time to give your energy a little Reiki remix. Have you ever tried Reiki? Drop a comment and let me know. My understanding is that Reiki helps with migraines, chronic pain, stress, insomnia, and basically your whole body and soul just relaxing. Evidently, it's perfect for dealing with or just life in general. We'll see. Let's find out. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not a magic cure-all.
Shanti, and I'm Reiki master and holistic coach. So I work with many disciplines in order to help people balance in all bodies, because we have many bodies, not just the physical. We have emotional body that comes from our emotions, mental coming our thoughts, and physical, energetic around our physical body, the aura. No, the person energy, totally the person. To create balance, energetic balance in every center in you. The root, the plexus, the throat here, and this is the Anahata chakra. Most of the people has this unbalance, the first three chakras. So I mean root, sacral, and plexus, and manipura. And every of these balls, each one has a different vibration and frequency. That is the frequency that is aligned with every energetic center. So tuning forks, that is vibration and frequency. This vibration helps to release that tension in the body. The throat chakra. This one is for the plexus. Each crystal has the color of the chakra. The red one is for the root chakra. And so I placed every crystal in the chakra where I feel more unbalanced. Because the smell connects with the limbic systems, that is a small part in our brain that connects with them. I use a lot of incense, candles to burn the negative energy, because the person release stagnant energy that keep in the body, in the mind, through the thoughts and feelings.
Alright, I'm a bit skeptical about Reiki, but hear me out. Everything in the universe is energy, right? Including us. So maybe there's something to this whole energy healing thing. Now, don't roll your eyes just yet. The cool part about Reiki? It doesn't matter if you believe in it or not. It's all about relaxation and good vibes. So I decided to give it a shot. No expectations, just pure curiosity. Want to see what happens during my first Reiki session? Stick around and I'll take you on this journey with me. Who knows? Ever wondered how Reiki is performed? Picture this, a Reiki master, hands hovering over your body chakras, channeling universal life force energy. And it's not just for humans, animals and plants can get in on the action too. During a session, the Reiki master focuses on your chakras, those energy centers in your body, for about 5 minutes each. They're tapping into what's called Ki in Japan, Chi in China, or Prana in India. It's all about manipulating this vital energy to promote healing. Sounds pretty cosmic, right? Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, Reiki's popularity is undeniable. What do you think? Okay, picture this. You're lying down, eyes closed, breathing deep. The room's filled with calming scents and soft candlelight. Suddenly you feel it. A tingling sensation starts at your toes, slowly creeping up your legs. It's like a river of good vibes flowing through your body. That's exactly what happened during my Reiki session. I was fully awake, experiencing every moment. The energy buzz was real, folks. I was a skeptic about Reiki, but my first session was eye-opening. Shanti, the master, described forgotten experiences stuck in my chakras, disrupting my energy flow. As she targeted each block, I could feel the energy flowing through my body. The aromatherapy and sound therapy created a sensory journey. I even got homework, exercises to maintain the energy flow, which I now incorporate into my daily meditation. If you're unsure about energy healing, give Reiki a try. You might uncover surprising truths about yourself. Let's clear up some misconceptions about Reiki. First off, it's not a religion or some magical cure-all. Reiki is actually a spiritual practice that anyone can use, regardless of their beliefs. It's all about working with your body's natural healing processes. Now, don't get it twisted. Reiki isn't meant to replace regular medical treatment. It's more like a supportive therapy for your health journey. And guess what? It's super safe with no reported side effects.